Hello, Mr. George. So I'll be doing a breakdown of the video, and then at some point I will pause and play some of those licks and also slow it down for you. So let's get started. I'm playing with the same backing track, so let's go. So what happens here is the first lick is lick of fresh. So it's playing. So we are not on the key of D. So you're playing something like on the D triad. You understand the triad? So. So here I'm using octaves, but I play it percussively, like sounding more percussive than playing the notes itself. Okay, so playing, let's take that again. The second lick of phrase here is see that. So this song is in the key of D. So most of these movements are kind of Lydian related. It's a Lydian sound. So you understand your modes, because these are the chords of the song. So the lick here is see that. So the first lick is the second one is so let's play again with the backing track up to that point. struggling with key D on this guitar because it's not a professional guitar, so struggling with key D to play some of this legato. So, but the third lick is like this. So let me take that slowly, closely. So I'm picking one stroke per string. So every string I pick down stroke, and then the rest of the note is legato. So one, yeah. I play the same legato, the same lick, but this time with a beat change. There's a changes in this one. And this one was. So this one is. Then this place is double stop. So get to here. Same lick you play here. This one is. Play the same lick again. So that's happening there. So I hope you. So let me slow this down a bit because I think I'm too fast. So the first one is. Second one is. The third one. So let me play everything now. Let's call it a wrap. So that's all for this song. But this is purely a piano transcription, not a guitar. So I took this from the piano. So I think I've done 80% of